Man, so it was 40 degrees out here when we started. Steven's been working on the dash for Adam Ant, the project. I'll put that I'll put that up in the corner. He said don't laugh at his Bondos, first pass. We filled the propane tonight, propane tank, so we weren't going to be as cold, so it'll steadily get warmer tonight. But tonight is all about the Grand Wagoneer 2.0 and putting the trans and transfer case in it. So to start, I'm going to put some loom on these wires so they don't look so shitty, and also give a little bit more protection because they're super slick because they're covered in oil. So we won't have that with this engine. This engine doesn't seem to leak, so we're working towards better things. Make sure we're not on that. Good. Okay, I'm ready. Hold on. All right. Hold on. All right, you want to go up? Yep. Whoa. What? Like falling your way. Hold on. Let me catch up. No, you're ahead of me. Oh, okay. I feel like we need to come forward. How are we gonna do that? Alright, sorry. That went way easier than I thought it was going to. Yeah, I'm doing it with my leg. Yeah. I got a bolt. Hold on. I got a bolt up there. I guess you put a chain on it or something? Oh, yep. A little more? Okay, let's go on it. I'm good, go ahead. Hold on. Caught my goddamn leg in that motherfucker. Alright, go ahead. Come to me just a little bit with your jack. There you go. Ooh. That could be a lot easier too. Yeah. Where's this dowel go? Let me see where this dowel goes first. Move it. Oh, you get the block out? We're not gonna do it, are we? Because of that damn. Oh, okay. No, I bet it's fucking tight. Yeah. Oh. Woo! That fucking exhaust fucked me up. I was like, oh god! My hand all up in there. Oh man, trans is in, bolted up to the block. We haven't done the torque converter yet, but that's coming, and Now time to get the cross member in and then exhaust and stuff. All right, you see this right here? Yep, just dropped the exhaust right on my nose. It started bleeding and it hurts like a mofo now. So we're done for tonight. Steven got the transmission bolted up. So it's stationary now, and I'm going inside to put ice on this and take a Tylenol. So subscribe to the channel to keep up with what's coming. Thanks.